In this video, I will show you how to delete search suggestions on Twitter. This is quick and easy. First thing you need to do is go to your profile in the top left corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Next is you need to press Privacy and Safety. And you can see Contents You See. There are three options. You choose the Explore settings. To disable search suggestions, you just disable the Trends for You option. So you need to turn it off. And then we go back to the home page and click the search tool below. Here it shows the trends and hashtags. Now there is a three dot in the right side. Click the three dot and press not interested. And you're good to go. You can do this with all the hashtags trends. Thank you, and I hope that helps.